From a morning coffee to an evening commute and everything in between, physical and digital ID cards are an essential part of our daily lives. As the world becomes more connected, the use of digital IDs and smart badges will continue to grow. And with the Card Studio 2.0 software from Zebra, anyone can create attractive, functional, and secure digital or physical ID cards. Here's how it works. Lots of people stop for a morning coffee on the way to work. With Card Studio 2.0, you can help them get more from their morning cup by scanning a physical or mobile device-specific digital ID to track loyalty points. But cards are only as useful as they are reliable. For locations like schools and other secure facilities, the new Smart Badge Status Check feature lets you use QR codes to quickly view the status of the ID card. Because every business has unique needs, Card Studio 2.0 offers a range of encoding options to meet the security requirements of any application. And Card Studio 2.0 is made to grow along with your business. Choose from 4 editions to get the one that fits you. You can easily upgrade to unlock new capabilities as needed. Card Studio 2.0 offers a robust online gallery with premium design templates and more, allowing you to quickly take advantage of Zebra's advanced ribbons with extra added security features, so you can pick pre-made options to get started quickly. Choose Smart Badge Status Check features, digital ID options, and more. The Zebra Digital ID app allows cardholders to receive digital ID updates instantly and provides an added layer of security by way of their device's biometric security features. With Card Studio 2.0, updates are automatically pushed to give you the power and flexibility to create custom, secure ID cards, now and in the future. Learn more and view how-to videos at zebra.com/Card Studio Support.